You can't trust the universe, or can you? Law of Attraction Guide and Cheat Sheets. Through the law of attraction, we can attract positive or negative experiences into our lives by focusing our thoughts and emotions on them. This idea has been around forever, but it has gained more popularity in recent years. The basic idea is that the thoughts and emotions that we put out into the world will attract similar experiences back to us. The law of attraction is not a quick fix for our problems, but instead it is a tool that helps us to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our goals and aspirations. You can achieve anything you want in life if you focus your thoughts and emotions on what you desire instead of what you do not want. Focusing on your desires and setting clear intentions, visualizing your desired outcome, and cultivating a positive and emotional state is how you get there. One important aspect of the law of attraction is the idea that we cannot rush the universe. This means that we cannot force things to happen. Instead, we must align with the energy of our desires and feel the feeling of having whatever we want now. This is the secret trick to it. It's what you feel more than what you think, but they both work hand in hand. You have to have the feeling of what you want to manifest in your life. In the real world, the material world, things do not happen instantaneously. This is a good thing, as our bad thoughts and emotions would also transmute too. So it's important to remember that the universe operates on its own timeline, and although this may seem frustrating at times, it's for our own good. We must trust in the process and have faith that things will work out for our higher good. The key to using the law of attraction effectively is to focus on your thoughts and emotions and to take action in alignment with your desires. This means setting clear intentions, visualizing your desired outcome, and most importantly, feeling the feeling of having it now, the secret sauce. We must surrender to our need for control and trust in the process at hand, even when things may seem like they are not going to plan. Gratitude is very important in the law of attraction, along with positive thinking, as this helps attract positive experiences into your life. When you are focused on gratitude, it encourages you to focus on what you have rather than what you lack, and this is what helps cultivate an attitude and feeling of abundance and positivity. This is what super speeds up the process and is also the secret ingredient missing in many guides. The law of attraction can be a powerful tool for manifesting your desires and achieving your goals. You just have to align yourself with the universe to manifest your deepest desires. Are you ready to practice the law of attraction? Here are some steps to follow to get you started. Set clear intentions. The first step is to know what you want to attract into your life. Be specific and clear about it and focus on the positive aspects of your desires. Visualization and affirmations are very powerful tools for manifesting your desires. Spend time each day visualizing yourself in possession of what you want and imagine how it will feel to achieve your goals. Play it through in your mind like a mental movie. Visualization exercises can help you see and feel yourself achieving your goals and dreams. Also work on affirmations and quietly repeat them to yourself late at night and early in the morning. This will help set them in your subconscious mind. Cultivate a positive mindset. A positive mindset is essential for attracting positive experiences into your life. Focus on gratitude, positivity, and abundance, and avoid negative thoughts and emotions. Take action. While the law of attraction is often associated with the idea of manifesting your desires without effort, it is important to take action towards your goals. Take concrete steps towards achieving your goals and be open to opportunities that may arise along the way. For example, if you want that new house, then find yourself a real estate agent and go look at houses. Smell the smells, feel the feels. You can be actively doing this, for example, while working towards the down deposit. Because you are actively working on your goals, this will help them manifest quicker. Allow the law of attraction to guide you to the seller who wants to sell to you personally and is ready to work out a special deal regarding your circumstances. Trust the process. Trusting the process and surrendering the need for control is an important aspect of practicing the law of attraction. Be patient and trust that the universe will bring you what you need at the right time. Remember that you may not be getting what you want right now because you may not be ready for it, and getting it now may cause a huge burden to you, so relax and trust the process. Keeping a gratitude journal can be very helpful to focus on the positive aspects of your life, as well as keeping track of your affirmations and positive self-talk to help reinforce your intentions and beliefs. Surrounding yourself with positive people and energy and avoiding negative influences and environments is also a good idea for the overall good vibes and energy in your life. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you, and if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.